Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lesson 20. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to identify and count on from a larger number. Now, we've done this in previous lessons, but this is just a really good review. Looking at this, we have to do a number sentence to go along with this. Now, we have a teacup that has some counters in it, and it tells us how many counters there are. There is 6. So that means 6 is our bigger number. We're going to put 6 in our brain. So everyone put 6 in your brain, please. So we think about 6. So 6, and think about, what number comes next? 6, 7, 8, 9. So we know there's 9 altogether. So let's write that number sentence. We know there's 9 altogether. So we had 6 in the cup. We counted on 3. Now there's 6, 7, 8, 9 all together. So that is how we count on from that larger number to get our whole or our answer. Alright guys, that's it for this video.